In this question, fx is given as 3x plus 4. GOF of x is 2x minus 1. It asks to find g of x. This is slightly tricky question. So if f and g are given, GOF can be very easily found out. Here f is given, GOF is given, you are asked to find gx. So let us see if we can do this. So let us go from the given information. So GOF of x is g of fx is equal to 2x minus 1. And what is fx? 3x plus 4. So g of 3x plus 4 is equal to 2x minus 1. G of 3x plus 4 is 2x minus 1. Now, you have to find the value of gx. Let us again use the concept of substitution. So, let 3x plus 4 is equal to t. So, 3x is equal to t minus 4. X is equal to t minus 4 by 3. So, if I put 3x plus 4 as t, x will be equal to t minus 4 by 3. So, let us convert this whole equation in terms of t. So, g of 3x plus 4 is t is equal to 2 times x is t minus 4 by 3 minus 1. That is equal to 2t minus 8 by 3 minus 1. So, if you take the LCM, you get 2t minus 11 by 3. So, g of t is 2t minus 11 by 3. So, correspondingly, what is g of x? So, in the place of t, if you put x, you get 2x minus 11 by 3. So, g of x is 2x minus 11 by 3 is the right answer.